Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna replace the cabin air filter with this one. It says it fits according to this manufacturer's website. This, I guess, SKU number or item number fits on this vehicle. That's according to them. So just remove the thing, whatever thing you have on your glove box. It's there. It is there. Is it removable though? Yeah, I think this is removable. It's like my previous Galant. Yes. Yeah, there's that thing here. This one. This one. It's connected here, so just remove that thing. Let me remove this so I can clean the box. So yeah, that's a clip over there. Another clip over here. No, it's not a, yeah, it's a clip. Is it dirty? Yeah. I'll dust this off. Is there a paper there? Yeah, it's still weak. Paper? Papers underneath. Yeah. Guess. There we go. Still. Good. No. That should be good. Airflow. Yeah, this hasn't been replaced, probably. So airflow pointing downwards. That's how it's installed. This one, same. Let me remove the stick. This new. Okay, always remove that plastic. This gold thingy on the bottom. And yeah, so one of those blowers. this is the new one. This is the OEM one. It says made in Germany. Man filter. Same manufacturer as the Audi and the Audi ones. I didn't know Mitsubishi uses this brand for their filter, for the OEM filter, but yeah, should be okay. Should be okay. To return the thing. So just hook this side here. Push this side here. It should click. Doesn't have the gold thing. Wait, did I put airflow down? Did I place it correctly? Yeah, airflow down. Okay. So yeah, it's hooked. And just push. Hook and push. Yep, so it's good. Just hook this here, and then just stretch the thing and push. Stretch, hook, stretch, and push on this side. Now to clean this thing, I'll be back. There. That's a good spot. Is that good enough? So I just need to return this thing over here. Just hook that through. Okay. That's done. Just hook that thing there. Hook that thing there. Hopefully that's not a leak somewhere, that white stuff. Yeah, just okay. So let me redo that thing. So just hook, make sure it's there, and push. Yeah, this, I don't know what the hell is. Is that dirt? But okay. Anyway, it's done. So yeah. Now to dispose this. And the engine air filter. Okay, so that's it. Let's do the engine air filter next. Oh yeah. This box did or does have the instruction manual, so yeah.